Hello everyone, we are learning HTML. Today's topic is metadata. What is metadata? Metadata is data about the data. Okay. When you write a file, when we save it and when we execute it, we can be able to see the output. But the user will not be able to see what is happening inside, that is nothing but the back side of the page. Okay. When a developer wants to see the code, he will be able to see all the code written inside that particular page. Okay, output is the different thing and input, not the code is different thing here. Okay, the code will not be appeared to the user. The necessary things will be displayed, unnecessary things will be hidden. Okay, whatever the requirement that will be placed on the output, remaining things will be placed inside the file just for the referring purpose. Okay, in the same way, here meta tag will hold the information about the file. Okay, for example, some code has been written by some particular developer. Inside that, we should mention the name of the developer or nothing but the name of the author, the name of the particular software or something else. Whatever the data you want to place, we should place here, like some keywords or some cookies, some URLs from which one page to another page redirection will happen in sometimes. Those types of URLs and the time to refresh your page, all the things will be mentioned in the meta tag. Okay, just start writing HTML page. Okay, as we know, okay, we have nesting of tags, that is nothing but tag inside another tag is called as nesting of nested tags. Just I am giving meta tag description or anything, you can give anything. Meta tag is enough. Then close the title tag. Here till now we have used only title tag inside the head tag, but the meta tag will be placed inside the head tag. So take the meta tag, it is not having the closing tag, so simply a slash we should place at the end of the tag. Here the name equals to, give some name. Here I want to place my name. Okay, then what, simply give a space slash and close it. Then close the head tag. Then start your body tag, write the things whatever you want here. Okay, here I'll give some nice font size. Hello, I'm going to write. Okay, just close the font, then close the body tag, then close the HTML tag. Okay, save the file. When you are practicing, put your all files in a single folder so that it will be easy to access it. Okay, meta.html, save it, then open any browser. Okay, open your folder, choose your file, see here, this has displayed. Just place this to the center so it will look good. It will be easy to see. Okay, the main thing about the meta tag is it's not going to change the appearance of the web page. You may add n number of meta tags inside the head, but it's not going to reflect the output of the web page. See, I have given the center alignment, so it has placed I added the meta tag by giving some name, author name, okay, but it has not displayed anywhere. See here, you can see the title I gave as meta tag, okay, and inside the body I gave as some hello, okay. So it means the meta tag is placed inside the head tag to search the keywords, to search the URLs, to refresh it, or whatever the things you want to do here, you can do. Here, for example, meta HTTP, we have this one. Here, what we have to place is, you may give as cookies, okay. Or you may give this as some refreshing time, okay, or URL, whatever the thing you want to place here, you can place here, okay. Save it, then go to the file, refresh it. See, it's not going to change the appearance of the file, not going to change the output of the file. Means whatever the things you write inside the meta tag is just for the purpose to search the URL, to search the keywords, this is just for the purpose of search engine. Meta, here you can use some keywords like reserved words, okay. Name equals to, I'm giving as keywords here, okay. What type of keywords you want to give here, you may place n number of keywords. Like inside the content tag we have to place here equals to, here keyword I want to search like HTML, head, title, then body, whatever things you want to place inside the content, place here. Just close the meta tag, save it, then go to the file, just see the output. It's not going to change the output of the file, means it's not going to change the output of the web page. Meta tag is used to search the particular keywords by the search engine, or the author or the developer want to see the source code and want to refer the whole file, then he will get some data about the particular source file. This is the main purpose of the meta tag. Here inside the meta tag you may give the time to refresh your page, or the time to reload your web page, or you want to move to the next URL. When you see this particular web page for this particular time, after that it should be refreshed, okay. Those particular time and the URLs can be given inside the meta tag. As part of the head, we are going to place the meta tag. These are the things we place by using meta tags. Thanks for watching.